Hi! Today I'm going to be showing you 2 different face scrubs that you can make using ingredients in your kitchen.
I just want to go through some books that you can check out from our system on skincare. Once you go to our website, theoceancountylibrary.org, you can head on up to the catalog, and in the quick library search bar, you can type in skin, and look, skincare and hygiene is the first option that comes up. And as you can see, we have quite a few books on skincare, taking care of your skin throughout the years. You can also narrow your search down. These are the newer books that came out in 2019 on taking care of your skin, and yeah, so you can learn more about your skin through these books. And again, if you have any questions, you might want to talk to your doctor or dermatologist. And again, please don't use anything that you know you are allergic to when consuming food. So yes.
Alright, so we've reached the end. I just want to leave you guys with a few thoughts and notes. At the end of the day, it doesn't really matter what you put on top of your skin, or rather I should say that everything you put on top of your skin isn't going to solve all of your problems. A lot can be fixed with your diet. For example, I have breakouts, or I notice breakouts along my jaw when I eat too many sweets, greasy foods. I also found out a few years ago that I was lactose intolerant, so as soon as I cut dairy and milk products out of my diet, I noticed visual changes and also felt a lot better. So what you put in your body is just as important as what you put on your body. Drinking lots of water helps too. Do your research on what works best for you, your body, and your face. Be gentle with yourself and take care. Bye.
Support public libraries. Like, share, and subscribe for more great videos.